Hi everyone. If you are new to PR and don't know what journalists are actually doing on social media, this video is going to help a lot. Here I will show you beginner friendly ways to monitor journalist activity so you can spot trends, mentions, and opportunities before you pitch. Let's get started. As a beginner, don't start by tracking individual journalists. Start by tracking topics or things journalists write about. To do so, my go-to is Journoscoop, which also provide me with different hashtags. I can select uh, the relevant ones, and then I can directly go on the page of post that are posted by different journalists both on Twitter and LinkedIn. In this video, we are specifically going to talk about LinkedIn and Twitter because both the platforms are basically live news feeds where you can use keywords like looking for sources, working on a story, or any experts on because these phrases usually signal upcoming articles. You can literally type your keyword over here, and if I talk about Twitter, you can type your keyword or hashtags over here to find the relevant query. Don't obsess over individual posts. Instead, look for repeated questions, similar topics popping up, journalists reacting to the same news. Because when you see repetition, that's a trend. There are some important signals to watch as well. You need to look for posts that starts with thoughts on or hot takes after breaking news because these are early indicators of story angles. When you see something relevant, be it Twitter or be it LinkedIn, I recommend you to bookmark it, save it, or drop it into a simple doc. You don't need any fancy tools to keep track of all the queries. Consistency is what matters most. There are also some common beginner mistakes that is important to address. Tracking too many topics, and second is that you jump on pitches too fast. You also ignore the context and you spend time observing first. So I'll just explain each point in a bit detail. When I say tracking too many topics is when you're not focused on any one particular topic that is relevant to your expertise and you're distracted seeing so many queries and so many posts that are posted by the journalist. Second, when you jump on pitches too fast, it again shows inconsistency, distraction that, of course, impacts the quality of the pitch that you send to the journalist. You know the context. For example, it's very important to adhere to the instructions that a particular journalist is looking for because usually in these posts they are very direct and clear as to what they are looking for alongside the way to connect with them because there are some journalists who would want you to directly DM them or leave a comment under their post, or some might prefer sending the pitches through their email. It's very important to understand the context of the questions they are asking, the way of communication they are preferring, and if there is any other details that they are looking for. That's how beginners can monitor journalist activity on social media by keeping it simple, manual, and effective. So once you understand what journalists care about, pitching becomes much more easier. So that's it about this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.